Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we are excited to bring you our full review of the Acer Swift 3 thin and light laptop, one of the most stylish and advanced options in the ultra-thin laptop market. The Acer Swift 3 is a thin and light laptop with a sleek design, perfect for users who value portability and style. Equipped with Intel Core processors, it delivers solid performance for multitasking and demanding everyday applications. The high-resolution display provides clear and vibrant images, ideal for work, study or entertainment. In addition to its stylish design, the Swift 3 stands out for its extended battery life, allowing extended all-day use without the need for recharging. It offers a wide range of connectivity options, including USB-C and USB-A ports, as well as HDMI, making it easy to connect to external devices and essential peripherals. In terms of security, the Swift 3 incorporates advanced features to protect user privacy and data, ensuring a secure and reliable computing experience. What do you think of Acer Swift 3 thin and light laptop? Have you had a chance to try it out and leave us your comments below? And don't forget to subscribe for more reviews and tech content.